Good day, everyone. I'm Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle here at Safeleet. And thanks for making this stop here with us today on edition 12 of Work Truck 360. Wow, we've made it a year, and hopefully you found these segments to be beneficial to your business. We want to talk about two things today. The first thing is the way that we take our products profiled to the marketplace. How many of you get this publication, NTEA News? You know, NTEA News is chock full of all kinds of industry updates and what's going on in the world that we operate. The interesting thing about this publication is that you'll notice now we're producing full-page ads in here to profile the specific products in our portfolio. Going forward, look for these ads to rotate onto other products that we offer throughout Safeleet. When we talk about the Work Truck 360 mailbox, we've got a question that has surfaced this week, and I wanted to get this in front of all of you. This week's question comes from Larry Chismar at Autoport in Delaware. Larry says, Craig, can you kindly tell me the difference between a wet spray enamel and a powder coat finish? That's a great question, Larry, and thanks for your submission. The one thing I want to talk about when you look at top coat finishes is wear points. Areas susceptible to abrasion, the radii, as a ladder comes off the ladder rack and as it goes back on the ladder rack. Well, Prime Design elects to powder coat all of their painted surfaces utilizing a 100% polyester powder coat finish. It has the highest abrasion scale that we know today over a wet spray enamel. The other thing about powder is that when it's applied, the cross linkers activate the powder to a flowing coated surface, giving you the same mill coverage not only just on the flats but also on this radii where it's susceptible to abrasion. You commonly won't find that in a wet spray enamel as it emits some what we call pullback in the industry. So the coverage is always thinner on the radii as opposed to the flats. Larry, thank you so much for your question. We really appreciate that. And for all of you, we appreciate your business. Thanks very much and have a great day.